In recent years, drones have become the new favorite of the battlefield. Whether it is a large-scale war or a regional conflict, their presence can be seen. Small drones can perform tactical reconnaissance/strikes, while large drones can carry out long-range monitoring and attacks, and in the future, they may even possess nuclear strike capabilities. Compared to drones, unmanned surface vessels are much more low-key. They rarely appear and have not been heavily involved in actual combat. However, unmanned surface vessels still have the ability to disrupt technological balance. Today, we will introduce the Israeli Protector armed unmanned surface vessel. The Protector is equipment developed by the Israeli defense company Rafael Advanced Defense Systems in the early 21st century. Its original purpose was to address maritime terrorism threats, such as attacking pirates to protect merchant ships and so on. It later gained recognition from other countries and achieved limited exports, with Singapore and Mexico purchasing a portion each. The Protector is a relatively small unmanned vessel, with a rigid inflatable boat structure. The vessel is 9 meters long, 3.5 meters wide, has a draft of 0.45 meters, and a displacement of only 4 tons. Its design takes into account stealth capabilities, with a low and clean hull. It is powered by a diesel engine, propelled by water jets, capable of reaching a maximum speed of 50 knots. The vessel has a deep V-shaped planing hull, providing excellent stability and maneuverability surpassing that of conventional crewed fast boats. The upper half of the vessel's waterline structure is sealed to prevent seawater from entering the hull during maneuvers, and the upper structure also takes into account aerodynamic performance to reduce sailing resistance. The Protector uses modular mission components and can be equipped with different devices as needed. The electro-optical system includes a laser rangefinder, small search radar, night vision equipment, broadcast system, and more. Its Typhoon weapon system is a compact remote-controlled weapon station equipped with a stabilizer, capable of mounting a 7.62mm machine gun, 12.7mm machine gun, and 40mm grenade launcher, with a weight ranging from 140 kg to 170 kg depending on the configuration, and carrying 230 rounds when equipped with a heavy machine gun. In addition to the Typhoon weapon system, the Protector can also carry other small-sized and lightweight equipment, such as portable anti-aircraft missiles, 360-degree cameras, and may even have the potential to carry recoilless rifles, small mines, and other equipment. Like large drones, the Protector unmanned surface vessel is remotely controlled. The control device can be installed at onshore bases or larger ships, allowing it to patrol a specific sea area, especially in complex terrain, as a replacement for manned vehicles. It can also be carried and released by a mother ship. For example, a large cargo ship can carry it to establish a defensive line around itself. It can also perform search and rescue tasks in inclement weather conditions instead of manned vehicles. In today's era of highly advanced artificial intelligence technology, if a group of Protectors is given an instruction, it is also possible for them to siege a large military surface vessel in a special environment. Its value is no less than that of high-profile drones. Of course, landlocked countries may not have a need for such equipment. The Protector has participated in several well-known operations or exercises after entering service. For example, the Singapore Navy used it in a military exercise in 2005 as a maritime support force. During those years, pirates were posing a serious threat to global shipping routes, so Singapore's Protector also carried out anti-piracy missions in the Gulf of Aden. Based on this, Rafael announced in 2012 the construction of a larger Protector with a length of 11 meters. The increased displacement allows for carrying more fuel and heavier equipment. Perhaps one day in the future, we will see the grown-up unmanned surface vessels in news reports of a maritime conflict, just like how anti-ship missiles in the past disrupted the balance of maritime power. The Protector unmanned surface vessel has a displacement of 4 tons, a length of 9 meters, a width of 3.5 meters, a draft of 0.45 meters, a maximum speed of 50 knots, and can achieve a maximum range of 400 nautical miles at a speed of 30 knots.